My curls and I are so excited to share with you 2 Sephora Clean Beauty Seal products that have been an essential duo to keeping my silver curls hydrated from scalp to tip. I've been using Briogeo Scalp Revival shampoo with charcoal and coconut oil and Adwoa Beauty Baomint deep conditioning treatment. Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro-Exfoliating Shampoo has peppermint and spearmint in it, which really soothes and calms my scalp. Scalp health is so important, and especially for silver hair, because as we age, we produce less sebum. So I like to do scalp massages to help stimulate blood flow and to encourage sebum production. And Briogeo Scalp Revival Shampoo is absolutely perfect for stimulating and restoring my scalp. It has charcoal to exfoliate and to draw out impurities from my scalp while helping to remove buildup. It has coconut oil to replenish and moisturize my scalp without stripping it. I like to cleanse my hair with Briogeo Scalp Revival shampoo every 5 to 6 days. Adwoa Baomint deep conditioning treatment is very rich and creamy. It feels silky, exactly what my strands need. I love that this conditioning treatment is formulated with scalp health in mind. It's infused with spearmint, peppermint, wintergreen oil, antifungal with omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids to provide soothing stimulation, and nettle to help with hair loss. The absolute best care for my scalp. For the last few months, I've been using Adwoa Baomint deep conditioning treatment every wash day, applying it from the root to tip. Moisture-rich oils like shea butter, coconut oil, and sweet almond oil penetrate my hair cuticle, resulting in days of smooth, hydrated curls. I find that using Adwoa Baomint deep conditioning treatment has been a game changer for my silver curls. After diffusing, I am left with a scalp that is hydrated and curls that are soft and defined and moisturized. I love that I'm able to show some love to my scalp and hair using this duo. It's even better because these 2 products are formulated with curl-friendly ingredients, and I just love that they have Sephora's Clean Beauty Seal, literally the best for my silver curls.